Right. Sorry, I'm in shock. It finally worked. But that's besides the point. I'm in Liverpool, UK, United Kingdom. Great place. But I found out that I didn't realise there's about 9 different Liverpools around the world, and there's a lot of them in America. There's one in Australia, New South Wales, and there's one in Queens, Nova Scotia, Canada. That's weird. This is a weird one. Onondaga in New York, US. Brazoria, Texas, US. Yazoo, Mississippi, US. Jackson, West Virginia, US. And Lake Indiana, US. All called Liverpool. That's about it, really. Just that, I thought that was a very odd fact, and that's not all of them. Find out for yourself. Yeah, loads of Liverpools. How cool is that? This probably won't work. If it does, then what should I do? I'll have another drink. And say goodbye to the world. From Liverpool, UK. Anybody wants to make so if you live in Liverpool somewhere else, it'd be cool to get a response. I suppose that's why I made it. I want to know somebody else from Liverpool, but that's not in Liverpool I live in. Oh, Scousers. Okay, that's it. Maybe I'll be left.